Good morning, students. In the last class, we saw the section 1 from When the Trees Walked. Today, we will see section 2. Before we enter into section 2, let us see some of the meanings what we saw in section 1. That is tendril, that is curl. See, children, look at the picture, how it is curled. Now the next one is creep. Have you seen children creeper? How it is climbs and goes? Creep means moving very quietly. Fertile, able to produce a lot of plants or crops. If the land is fertile, it yields plenty of fruits. Next one is abandoned, left without care. So here the building, no people are there to take care of it. So without care. Vigorous, healthy and strong. You need to be healthy and strong, vigorous. Now let us see section 2. Grandfather was in content with growing trees in our compound. During the rains, he would walk into the jungle beyond the river bed, armed with cuttings and saplings, which he would plant in the forest. But no one ever comes here. I had protested the first time we did this. Who's going to see them? Protested means opposed or disagreed. See, we are not planting them simply to improve the view, replied grandfather. We are planting them for the forest and for the animals and birds who live here and need more food and shelter. So, not only the human beings need food and shelter, but the animals too need the food and shelter. Of course, men need trees too, he added. So, we too need the trees because we get fruits and seeds and leaves and everything from the trees, and we get rain, we get shade to keep the desert away, to attract rain, to prevent the banks of river from being washed away. For fruits and flowers, leaf and seed. Yes, for timber too. But men are cutting down trees without replacing them, and if we don't plant a few trees ourselves, a time will come when the world will be one great desert. If we don't plant more trees, then the world will be a great desert. When we cut down trees, we have to plant 2 more trees. The thought of a world without trees became a sort of nightmare to be, and I held grandfather in his tree planting with greater enthusiasm. Nightmare means frightening dream. And while we went about our work, he taught me a poem by George Morris. Woodman, spare that tree, touch not a single bough. In youth it sheltered me, and I'll protect it now. Now let us see the explanation, children. The woodcutter is about to cut down the tree, to which the poet has many fond memories attached. So the poet asks the woodman to spare that has been planted by his forefathers. This tree also is for wild birds. One day the trees will move again, said grandfather. They have been standing still for thousands of years, but there was a time when they could walk about like people. Then along came an interfering busybody who cast a spell over them, rooting them to one place. But they're always trying to move. See how they reach out with their arms, and some of them, like the banyan tree with its traveling aerial roots, manage to get quite far. We found an island, a small rocky island in a dry river bed. It was one of those riverbeds so common in the foothills, which are completely dry in summer but flooded during the monsoon rains. A small mango tree was growing on the island. If a small tree can grow here, said grandfather, so can others. As soon as the rains set in and wild rivers which could still be crossed, we set out with a number of tamarind, laburnum, and coral tree saplings and cuttings and spent the day planting them on the island. See children, tamarind tree, laburnum, and coral trees. All that saplings and cutting and spent the day planting them on the island. They were planting near the island. What is the meaning of interfering, children? It is stopping. So you know the meaning of protested, isn't it? Opposed or disagreed. Now here interfering. Interfering means stopping. When someone talks, someone else will come and stop that what they were speaking. Nightmare. Nightmare, a frightening dream. It's a dream. When you will be sleeping, while sleeping you will get a dream and you will get up. So children, learn all these meanings. Thank you very much.